I'm Sarah Curry, Research Director for Iowans for Tax Relief. Soon we will all be receiving public notices in the mail of the changes our local governments are wanting to make to our property taxes. Iowans for Tax Relief has created a calculator to help Iowans figure out what these changes will do to their individual property tax bills. We're going to walk through that process together to make sure you understand how to use the calculator. First, you will need to find your assessments. You'll need the 2023 assessment rate and the 2024 assessment. If you can't find these numbers on the internet, you can always call your county assessor and they can give those numbers to you. Next, you're going to need the notice that you receive in the mail. Every local government that has to hold a public hearing will be on this notice, including schools, counties, and cities. You're going to need to write these numbers down because we'll need them later for the calculator. The current tax rate and the proposed tax rate for your school district. For the county, everyone pays the county-wide rate. If you live outside of the city limits, you will pay the rural rate. It's a little misleading. It's not an additional. This is the rural rate. Do not add these two together. If you live in the city limits, you will pay the county-wide rate. If you live outside of the city limits, you will pay the rural rate. Again, do not add these two together. Now that we have our information, we're going to go to the property tax calculator and put those numbers in to see what the impact is on this particular homeowner. When you're on itrlocal.org, over here on the side, click Property Tax Calculator. Now we need those numbers that we wrote down earlier. When you're entering the numbers, don't worry about commas or dollar signs. The system will change it automatically. Now this is where we put in those rates. The first listed on your notice is the school district rate. So we're going to enter those now. Now you can see the changes that would occur to this homeowner under the proposed property tax changes for this school district. For the county example, we're going to enter the rural rate because this homeowner does not live within the city limits. Here you can see the impact to this homeowner from the county changes, a dollar increase of $473 or a percent change of 24.4%. Once you have this information, if you feel compelled to go to your local hearing, we have a guide here. Just click here and it will bring up a guide that you can print off, and that will help you compile your thoughts and the information from this calculator to share that with your local elected officials. I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Iowans for Tax Relief. We are here to help you and to help you feel prepared going into your public hearing.